Okay, we have a new week here at Paved To Pines. 3 big builds still in here. So blue one is Sully in the back. We've got Gandalf right here. And Rooster sitting in the back over there. Okay, so first up, we're gonna be jumping into, well, let's just say we have a CTV interview. So we're gonna be jumping into the PAGC van to show it off. Hopefully we look good on TV. Can't promise anything. Next, I think flooring's going in Gandalf, so I'm gonna show you guys that process. Other than that, I'll give you guys a super quick update of the builds. That's gonna be it for this week. Okay, it is time to show off a little bit of the PAGC build. We have Jada from CTV here, and I think we're gonna do an interview.
Okay, yeah, tomorrow it will be.
This one, like I said, we were super excited that PAGC approached us. This is a need that's been talked about for years and years and years within, whether it's local, across Canada. So to be able to work with them on something that's close to home, we'll be able to see it rolled out and see how it works within the community. We're excited to run with this and hopefully work with some more organizations and launch these mobile health units, first across Saskatchewan and then Canada. Okay, so that was the interview. I think it went okay.
It went great.
It went great. I think now we're gonna show off the van, give a little bit of tour, and then that'll be it. Okay, I just wrapped up an interview with Jada at CTV Saskatoon? CTV anyway. Thanks to CTV for coming out and doing a story with us featuring the PAGC medical van build. The PAGC is an advocate for northern communities, so they take care of a select handful of communities up north. That involves addressing health needs. So one of the big issues in our province and across Canada is medical health care access in our northern communities. Being from Saskatchewan, this is something that's been near and dear to our heart for a while now. When PAGC did approach us and said, hey, we've got this plan for a medical van, we were super excited to be able to sit down with them, plan something incredible out, and hopefully put out a unit that's gonna actually address needs. This project was special to us mainly because there's a lot more opportunity to offer better help. Quite honestly, we don't do enough. Medical access should be available to our whole province. So I'm hoping that this van addresses some of those needs. That's the goal. So immediately, the first goal was to be able to service vaccine needs. So it's gonna offer some vaccine delivery, clinic sites, that kind of thing up north. But PAGC has a big plan to roll out family care services, sampling, transporting of sampling to and from hospitals. The goal is to have a lot of community involvement and make this van a safe space to be able to access healthcare. So, with that being said, we're super excited with where this could go. This is just van number 1 that we've completed. We want to roll out as many of these as we can. Next up is to take on Saskatchewan. So there are many different organizations and sectors that we can address. Dentistry, safe injection sites, what else? Simple basic needs throughout our cities for homeless individuals. Winter's coming and winter is not easy in Saskatchewan. So this is something that can easily get out there and make sure that people are safe and at least have basic access to the needs that they require. So, long story short, this is a super special project to us. Again, thank you to PAGC for choosing us, and looking forward to future builds and seeing what we can do to roll out some more mobile health units.